Come tour this Midtown West 3-bedroom apartment. 4th floor. Beautiful wood floors, exposed brick. Total luxurious renovations on the kitchen. Dishwasher, wine cooler, built-in microwave. Ah, bam, there it is. Washer dryer in unit. There's the dishwasher. Could put some bar stools here, and that takes care of your dining area or living room. Could easily fit a large sectional sofa, entertainment center, coffee table. First bedroom, easily fit a king. Second bedroom, easily fit a king as well. Still got some exposed brick and some balcony here. Not the fire escape, this is a balcony. Great closet space. Third bedroom, easily fits a king also. Probably 2 nightstands. And good closet space and a second balcony. And again, not fire escape. Come on down, take a look. This could be your next home.